September. The total time you will get here is 2 hours. Okay, you have to score 50 marks in 2 hours. See here what all you have to fill. Student, whatever your name is, write it here. Whatever your class number is, whatever your roll number is, write that roll number. After that, whatever your school name is, write the name of that school. After that, whatever block you study in, the name of that block and the district of that block. Here, the district of your school in which you are studying, which is that district, the name of that district has to be written here. The name of the cluster is given below, so you can write the name of the school as well or you can leave it. Let me tell you all that Bahar board has made a big change that the paper which will be there in every district will be the same paper everywhere. Okay, so see, the signature of the scrutineer is given here, the date is given, the signature and date of the evaluator, the missing marks, how many marks you get, the teacher will fill that there. Instructions were given here, so first we will read the instructions. In this question paper, it is mandatory to answer each question. Here, it is necessary to answer the total question. The next point is the instructions in front of each question about the marks allotted for it. See, instructions are also given here in front of the question. How many questions are going to be of how many marks? So look, let us see the first question, Babu. The first question is asked to you, fill in the blanks. That is, what do you have to do with the blank space? You have to fill it. So the first question is, if the number of sides of a polygon is 9, then what will be the sum of the measures of its infinite angles? So it will be 140 degrees. Babu, remember it. The next question is, if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then what will be the total number of possible outcomes? So look, if there are 2 coins, then what does 2 coins mean? What happens on one side? It is tail. What happens on the other side? It is head. What happens on one side of this also? It is head. There is tail on one side. So what will we get? Either tail will come, either head will come. Either tail will come or head will come. That is, we will get 4. Okay, you can see here. So yours will be 4. Okay, look at the next question. What is the difference between the mark price and the selling price called? It is called a discount. The next question is, what will we call a parallelogram whose all sides are equal but none of the angles is a right angle? We will call it a rectangle. What will we call it, Babu? We will call it a rectangle. Please see the next question. 5-number question. What is the largest prime number of 2 digits? The largest prime number of 2 digits is 97 because a prime number has been asked here. Next question, please see. Next question, what is to be done with column A and column B? Matching has to be done. Column A has to be matched with column B correctly. This is also of 10 marks. Column A and column B are given. The first is 2 asterisk and 2 right angle. What will it be? The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is. What is the measure of each interior angle of a polygon? It will become 360 additional angle. Now see here. What is the number of sides of the polygon? 2 asterisk and 2 n asterisk will become a right angle. Now see, we have already told you the interior angles of the polygon. Now here one more question is left. What will be 2 plus 3 2 to 3? What is this? It is a rational number. What will be x plus 5 9? It is a linear equation. There is no exponent in it. Okay? There is not even a single exponent. That means the one with exponent 1 is called linear. The one with exponent 2 is called quadratic. And the one with exponent 3 is called cubic. Babu, remember this. Let's see the next question. Write true for the following statements or true for true, which are that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Of course they are, Babu, so you guys do it. Yes, that means tick the correct mark. The number of diagonals in a hexagon is 6. Absolutely not. It is wrong. 1 2 3 is a Pythagorean triple. Absolutely not. The next question is the inverse of the square root of the square active? Absolutely not. The next question is, does the sum of odd numbers give a cube number? Absolutely not. Watch the next question. The fourth question is a short answer question which is a 10 marks question and we will also tell you how to download the question paper in this video. If you want to watch this video in full, then do share it with your friends. Okay? So watch, the ratio of the length and breadth of a rectangle is 3 to 2. If its perimeter is 30, then you have to find its length and breadth. Or what is the similarity and difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle? You have to